Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Whether you're a seasoned baker with flour-dusted hands or just starting your sourdough journey, I'm thrilled you're here. Today, we're diving into a design showcase. Also in this video, we'll share expert tips and tricks to ensure your sourdough always rises to the occasion. Have you ever experienced the magic of homemade sourdough bread? The tangy aroma, the satisfying crust, the taste that transcends the ordinary. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore the diverse world of sourdough design. Tips for success. Healthy starter. Maintain an active and bubbly starter. Feed it regularly with the right ratio of flour and water, and use filtered or bottled water. Flour power. Use a high-protein bread flour for better gluten development and structure. Consider incorporating whole wheat flour for added flavor and nutrition. Autolyze magic. Let your flour and water rest before adding the starter. This allows the flour to absorb water and develop gluten strength for a better rise. Bulk fermentation. Be patient with bulk fermentation. Observe dough rise and judge by feel rather than strict timeframes. Dough should be doubled in size and have visible bubbles. Shaping finesse. Gentle shaping techniques like coil folds or stretch and folds build strength without overworking the dough. Practice makes perfect. And last but not least, proofing patience. Proofing times can vary depending on temperature and starter activity. Monitor dough closely and judge by its rise and poke test. Scoring savvy. Use a sharp lame or razor to score designs for even expansion and better oven spring. Get ready to learn how simple scoring can create stunning and delicious sourdough loaves, revealed in this short video.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.